Imagine waking up to a bank account that's grown overnight without you having to lift a finger. Sounds too good to be true, but that's exactly what dividend investing can do for you. In this video, we'll break down the basics of dividend investing and show you how to build passive income that can change your financial future. So what are dividends? In simple terms, dividends are a portion of a company's profits that are paid out to its shareholders. Think of it like a company's way of saying thank you to its investors for holding onto their shares. When a company makes a profit, it can choose to reinvest those profits back into the business or distribute them to its shareholders as dividends. Let's use a real-life example to illustrate this. Imagine you invest in Johnson & Johnson, a well-established healthcare company. As of 2026, Johnson & Johnson has declared a quarterly dividend of $1.06 per share. If you own 100 shares, you'd receive $106 in dividend payments every quarter. That's $424 per year,